Microprocessor is the heart of computer system. Microcontroller is the heart of an embedded system. In case of microprocessor, memory and I/O components need to be connected externally. Microcontroller has a processor along with internal memory and I/O components. In microprocessor, due to external components, the total power consumption is high. In microcontroller, as external components are low, total power consumption is less. Microprocessor is based on the von Neumann model, where program and data are stored in the same memory module. Microcontroller based on Harvard architecture, where program memory and data memory are separate. Microprocessor useful for general purpose applications that allows you to handle loads of data. Microcontroller, it's useful for application specific systems. The microprocessor, due to its complex architecture, requires a larger number of instructions to implement the process. The microcontroller, due to its simple architecture, can implement the process using fewer instructions. The microprocessor has a smaller number of registers, so more operations are memory-based. The microcontroller has more registers. Therefore, the programs are easier to implement. In the case of the microprocessor, the overall cost of the system is high. In the case of the microcontroller, the overall cost of the system is less.